Okay, hello everyone. So welcome to our podcast today. So before we start the podcast, I would like to introduce myself first. So my name is Ade Satyadi as an interviewer for this podcast. So today's topic is small habits that make your life better. Oh, I forgot something. Here we have Erlangga as an interviewee. Please.
Hi, my name is Dimas Erlangga and I'm here as the interviewer that is gonna be interviewed by Adila.
Okay, so today we were talking about the small habits that may somehow make life a little less messy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah, like tiny habits that seems useless at first, but it makes you like you have your life whole. It makes your life together.
Yeah, exactly. All right, let's get into it before we got distracted. Okay, first question. When you woke up early, or when you woke up, are you the let's go or the don't talk to me for 20 minutes type?
Oh, I'm 100% the second one. I
Okay.
need like a loading screen before I exist properly. Like I need to gather myself first. Yeah.
Okay, same, but same. But people think that waking up early equals productivity, but bro, sometimes I wake up early and still do nothing.
Mood, alright.
Okay, next question is, tell me one small habit that actually helps you.
Usually I do like a 5-minute reset.
Okay.
Basically, it's just me cleaning something around me that seems messy and dirty for 5 minutes. Whether it's my bed, whether it's my whatever it is in my room.
Yes.
For five. Yeah.
Okay, but clean desk equals clean mind, right?
Right.
But even though sometimes 5 minutes becomes 30.
I mean, yeah, but at least I try.
Yeah, that's good.
Because my biggest enemy is starting, is trying. Yeah, that's my biggest enemy.
Same, because in our brain it's like, it's hard to start
Yeah.
something. Okay, the next one is, you got another habit.
I have one more that is what is it called? I try not to touch my phone.
Good point.
Yeah, for the first 15 minutes after I woke up, after I opened my eyes. So it helps me like not to be stressed after I woke up. It helps me relieve myself first, like that, something like that.
Could not be me. Because when I woke up, like I have to check my phone first, because I think someone will send a message. It's like
Yeah,
from
I
my
know.
college or from my work.
Yeah,
So I just check my phone when I woke up. I think that's a bad habit.
Yeah, and it's hard to, you know.
I open the handphone first instead of drinking water. That's not healthy.
Yeah, sure.
And then, what about something for your mood?
For my mood,
Yeah.
usually I write down 3 things, like 3 things I'm grateful for,
Okay.
or maybe like 3 things that, or 3 simple goals that I'm gonna do for the day, for today, like something like that.
Like serve it today, or today's goals, or drink boba maybe.
Yeah, something like that. So I usually write like, oh, maybe I should buy boba tea later or green tea later. I write it down and then just do it later, since it helps my life feels nicer and organized.
Like just structured.
Yeah, that's true.
Just do it one by one according to the what?
The schedule,
Yeah, the schedule.
Yeah.
Okay. Be honest though. Have you ever failed to try to keep a habit?
Failed, huh? Truth to be told, I am the CEO of failing habits.
Okay.
One time I decided to wake up at 5 a.m.
Okay.
every day. I actually woke up at 5 just once, and it's because of a cockroach flew at me.
Bro, that's not a self-improvement, that's trauma. But at least you try.
Yeah,
Anyway, the point is small habits can really help, even if they look silly.
yeah, that's true.
Because I think that small habits can change your life more
Yeah.
better.
Uh-huh. But like you don't need to change your whole life, because just start small
Okay.
and keep it chill. Like,
I got it. So I think that's enough for this podcast. And then thank you so much for hanging out with me and
No
sharing
problem.
your good habits, your personality. I guess because I think you're a structured person.
not really, but sometimes, yeah.
I'm trying, but it's hard for me because a lot of like assignment and then
Yeah, yeah.
work thingy. That's so hard for me to maintain my good habits.
Yeah, that's true. It's hard, especially when you have a lot of assignment
Yeah.
in one time like
Yes,
that.
it is worst ever. I think it's enough for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and then
Yeah.
goodbye everyone.
Bye.